Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
Do you have a device that needs a little data, but you don't want to have a contract or cellular service that you have to up every month? TalkSim has these really nice SIM cards that are very easy to use, and they give you 4G data without any contracts. They come with everything you need, including the little poker to get your SIM card out, which is nice because I always lose mine. This is so nice if you have an old phone you want for a kid to be able to use. It does not provide cellular service, but there's so many apps that allow them to call and text. You could use this very easily for that, or a tablet as long as it takes a SIM card. Setup was really easy. They have just a simple few steps. You find the APN, you update it, restart your phone, and then just give it a few minutes to adjust. I was a little impatient, and so it took me a while to figure it out, but it really was just my impatience. And as you can see me scrolling through these flowers, this is with the SIM card, and the speed was really nice. They have several plans you can choose from, and like I said, no contract. So I highly recommend this.
But that's just my point of view.